John chapter 11, verse 25. I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live even though they die. It is with profound sadness that we announce the passing of Angus Jean Jacques, originally of Upper New Development, Soufrière. He passed away at Maimonides Medical Center, New York, on Thursday, 2nd July 2026, at the age of 82. The funeral service of the late Angus Jean Jacques will be held on Thursday, 20th August 2026 at 2:30 p.m. at Our Lady of the Assumption Church, Soufrière. His body will then be laid to rest at the Soufrière Cemetery. The body now lies at Lazarus Funeral Home, New Dock Road, Vieux Fort. May he rest in eternal peace.